Warning, many bugs were killed in the making of this movie. Good morning from the banks of Lake Vättern, where I'm having my morning cuppa. Bit of a change to plans today. I have a really bad rattle on my bike and I think it's the exhaust. Hopefully it won't fall off before I get to the Can Am dealer, which is at Stockholm. It's just about 3 hours away and the way I'm heading anyway. I was meant to be going there and then to Uppsala today, but we'll see whether or not I get there. The bonus of it is that I can hopefully upload days 4 and 5 with their Wi-Fi, because the Wi-Fi is not very good here. But, you know, it's nice being off-grid for a bit. Definitely this bit, but I think I have one of these. I can't feel if it's meant to be one on the other side. Let's tighten that up and see. Right, I've tightened that up as tight as it will go, but this whole thing is moving. So, Can Am dealer it is. I'll see you in Stockholm in a bit. I might go and have a swim in the lake first though. Maybe just a little paddle. Just check it out. Oh, it's actually not too bad. Hey, tent's all down, you're in a tree, and I'm going in. I think that's the children bit. It only come up to the bottom of my calves. Oh well, cooled down a bit. Fell over on some rocks out there though. Okay, I'm off to a very slow start. It's nearly 11:15. We're here, we're going to go up here to Stockholm to the motorbike repair shop. Heading that way anyway, hopefully get to Uppsala tonight. I hope to be further north of there today, but that's not going to be happening. It's going to take me at least 3 hours longer because I need to have my helmet stopped. But first stop is petrol.
Starting route.
Whilst this is playing, please remember to hit that subscribe button, and if you're enjoying this vlog then give it a thumbs up and share it with your mates. And if you'd like to buy me a cup of coffee then you can do so by clicking on the link in my bio. It's very much appreciated. Thank you. I cannot tell you how excited I was to see a Can Am coming the other way. It's the first one I've seen in the 1,000 miles I've done since I've left home, apart from Tracy's and Lynn's of course. That is still Lake Vättern that we can see over to our left. It's 1,912 kilometres squared. That's 738 square miles. Petrol and water. And good. I can just fill it up and not have to pay silly money first. Well, I can thoroughly recommend that stop. It was really lovely. You pay inside. Bumblebee's now refuelled, as is my Camelback. And look at the view. It's pretty spectacular. I'm going to have a little go of my comms today, see how that goes, because it takes me hours talking over the top of my films. We shall see. It's a way to remind myself not to shout, I guess. I have to say, it was a beautiful ride along this lake. We just came in this way, 1,000 miles into my 5,000 mile round trip to Nordkapp and home back to England. I'm hoping to raise £1 for every mile for a great, well it's not that one, for a great veterans charity. Oh, it was that one. Oh, I'm now stuck behind the caravans. Oh dear, never mind, it's meant to be. So we have 6,000 homeless veterans in England. and I'm hoping to raise money for a project in East Anglia to house them, help them with PTSD. Every penny goes to the charity. I'm funding this on my own. It's going to cost me about £3,000. Maybe a little bit more after today. We shall see. There are lots of planes along here due to Link open strong ties with manufacturers of aircraft, especially Saab. Designs and produces the Gripen fighter jet. I've gone over my hour due to time. I've got an hour and a half, but look, the signs. And I've gone over due to time constraints because I really want to get to the garage before it shuts. So I thought I'd have one stop. I am very tired today, in quite a lot of pain as well, so haven't had my caffeine yet, and it's nearly 1 o'clock. So caffeine is needed. And pain relief. And I'm going to go in and pay first and make them not very happy. I'm going to skip on the petrol. It's just madness. Like, your cashiers are the same as the food and everything's a massive queue. I only need about 60-70 litres anyway, so I'll carry on. Just going to get some food over there. Salad again. Had to have a little bit of goat cheese. Salad bar is included. I'm now in desperate need of fuel, so I'm just going to suck up the 1,000 it's going to take out. I don't mind so much when I need a full tank, but hopefully it won't take too long to come back into my accounts. So I had hoped to ride through the city of Stockholm to get some footage for you, but obviously I have other priorities. But what do you think? Have you been to Stockholm? Is it worth going and having a little visit? Do let me know in the comments below. Oh no, it's one of those big tunnels with lanes that go all over the place. Oh, I'm bound to get confused. I think I've got wrong in the tunnel. Not surprising really, it was a bit confusing. It's telling me to stay on the E20, but I don't know where I've gone. We'll go back down that way, back in the tunnel. Could be riding around in it for hours. Let's go round again. Hopefully I've gone right this time. I think the Romans must have been here as well as the Vikings. Oh, God. That's very annoying. Oh. Here. When you accidentally leave your GoPro running, I thought I'd leave it in for once. It happens quite a lot. Well, some of it anyway. I've spotted a sign. It takes me a while to realise it's in Swedish, so I get out Google Translate. Thank heavens for that. It's okay, I'm not crying. I'm just standing there trying to take it all in with that, I really don't believe this attitude. What do we do now? Oh, I know. Let's get under the bike and make sure the exhaust really is loose and that I really do need help and that I can't do something about it that I couldn't do earlier today. Yep, it's definitely loose. There's been no magic genie on my journey here. I'm going to quickly look up another mechanic or garage, see if they can help me out. There's a car expert here. Hopefully they're open. Please! Well, given it's Monday, the first time they can look at it is this Friday. So there was a much help with the chocolate teapot. I'm going to head to Uppsala because I want to go to the museum tomorrow. So I could wild camp. I need internet to upload my vlogs to clear space on my phone to make today's. What do you reckon? Is the universe telling me something? Oh, a tunnel. That'll make a nice change. Park up for a bit and book a room. See, I'm wondering if you can wild camp in these places. Don't know. Be good if you could. See, why not? Doesn't say you can't. So that might be tomorrow's plan. What I am going to do today is book me a hotel room. It's the same price as I paid for camping yesterday. I am going to get in Uppsala and get my internet, get everything sorted that I need to get sorted, get me a shower and get everything offloaded off my phone and my GoPro and get it all ready for tomorrow. That's the plan for now anyway. Lovely, it's just off that busy road. Thank you, Julia. I still have our collapsible bowl from Australia and Bali. So I kept some of my lunch. So I have warm salad for me tea. I booked a room here somewhere, cheaper than my tent last night. My key's boiling hot. I can't ride up there. I think I have to park here somewhere, but they're not responding to my messages. I think I'll have to hum. All will be well. Because if it's not, I'll get my tent out and I'm pitching it there. I eventually got in with a lovely welcome and a fruit plate. It was a great stay. Come back again tomorrow to find out more. And down came the rain. Ta-ta for now.